Hello, this is Wacky Waldo 100, and I'm doing a review for an Airsoft claymore mine. I got this off Airsplat. Do not order off Airsplat, because they took like 10 times just to get my order right. Took like forever to. So, well, it didn't say the FPS, but it says it shoots 200 at a time. I think that's believable, but the FPS isn't that great. To load it, it's sort of difficult, but I'll try it anyways. Okay, well, you see, that's loaded, but there's no airsoft in it. And you just put airsoft through that little hole. And this is the remote, but right now I think it's out of battery. I'll give it a try anyways. Yeah, out of battery. So I'll just do it the manual way, like a tripwire. But here would be the prongs for sticking it in the ground. And I'm just gonna release it by pushing the little pin forward. And there you go. Thanks. Bye.